What's up, you guys? Welcome back. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Dee and this is the Optimistic Network. Do you like to take a bath but never have the time? Well, I have the solution for that. I have a way that you can feel like you take a bath without taking a bath. But before we dive into that, if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Dee and this is the Optimistic Network. I make video twice a week, so don't forget to subscribe and become a part of the family. Thumbs up and get active in the comment if you wanna. So let's jump straight into the video. So I was not one of those people who grew up taking fancy bath in a bathtub, because I grew up bathing in the river. Some may call it the ravine, some may call it the creek. We call it straight river. I grew up taking bath in the river or in a wash pan, just a washing pan. I insert a clip here for those who don't know what a wash pan is. So once I ventured out and left the rural area and went to live in Kingston, after a while I started renting my own place and it started to come with bath. But even then I really wasn't taking bath. I was just taking shower. Even though the shower had a bathtub, I wasn't into bath. But child, as you get older, you realize that baths are really essential. So sometime before I moved to the US in 2007, I started taking baths, but not too many baths, just barely. But what I do realize is whenever I took baths, I would feel real different, like good, especially if you add some fancy stuff to it, some smelling good stuff, but especially some salt, like some Epsom salt. You know, some people swear by Epsom salt soak and all that. So I started taking a bath, I would say later in life, probably 27 or so, I started taking baths. Anyways, right now I feel like baths are essential to me. Baths make you feel so good, but I never have the time to take a bath every day. I probably get a bath once a couple of months or once a month, because I really don't have the time, because it takes time. You have to wash the shower and the bath, because you don't want to just sit down in a dirty bath that you've been bathing in all week or that other people's been bathing in. You want to wash your bath, clean it, and then you have to fill your bath. After you fill your bath, you have to add whatever, and then you have to sit there for a while doing nothing, sometimes playing on your phone. You're so scared because you don't want the phone falling in there. And then if that's not enough, when you're done, you have to clean the bath again for your later use, because the baths usually get that little circle from you sitting in there and the soap and the grease off your body. You know what I mean. Don't act like you don't know what I mean. You know what I mean. So anyways, I still love taking baths, but it's not always convenient for me to take a bath. Even though I live on my own and I'm kind of on my own time, not really, because you have to work and you have commitments and you have things to do, but I still love taking a bath. So I discovered something the other day. So what I started doing probably a month ago, I was just sitting on the toilet, and I have a little holder that I sit all my little stuffs on, like one of those little mesh wired holder. I'll also insert one if you don't understand what I mean. It's kind of directly in front of my toilet, so when I sit on the toilet, too much information, I can see exactly what's on it all the time. So I was sitting there getting ready to go in the shower, and I'm like, I kind of felt a little stiff and a little tight. I saw my bath salt and I'm like, oh, I could take a bath. But then I thought about, oh, I have to clean the bath and I have to do this and I have to do that, and I'm so tired. I don't want to sit in there and fall asleep, or I don't want to sit in there, you know, I'm just so tired. So anyways, what I did, I took up my salt, my bath salt, and I used this one. It's from TJ Maxx. It was for $6.99, and it says it's from Provence Beauty, and it's natural/vegan, and it said meditate bath salt, and it's infused with coconut milk and rose and essential oil. So there are some pieces of rose in it. If you can see, there are some pieces of rose. The stuff's in it, they're rose. You know, when you're sitting on the toilet getting ready to go in the shower, you have your shower running so the water can heat up. So I always turn it up way on high. My water was heating up, and I was getting ready to go in the shower. So after I saw the bath salt, I had a haha moment. I'm like, aha, I'm gonna throw a little of this salt in the bath, even though I'm not taking a bath. What I'm gonna do, I'm not gonna throw it down towards where the water go down, because it will just go down in there, just wash away. I'm gonna throw it to the end of the bath where it's just a steam going that way and splashes of water. I have this seashell stuff right here that I used to scoop up my salt. So I took this, I filled this shell with some bath salt, and I just throw it in the bath, and it was up to the corner. So when you're doing this, you don't want to throw it where the shower water hits, and you don't want to throw it where the water goes down, because it's just going to wash away. You need to throw it to the far end where you know splashes of water is going to get there and the heat is going to get there. Because when you're bathing, I don't know if it's just me, when you're taking a shower, I close the bathroom door most of the time, and my shower is always on hot. Especially if you live in America, your shower is always on hot, so you know that that steam and that heat melt the salt. And I'm telling you, I stepped in that shower, and while I shower, I kind of like use my foot to kind of push some salt grains down towards the water, towards the shower, and the shower smells so good. And I was kind of stuffy because the change of season and the sickness is going around, so I was kind of stuffy in my head, like in my nasal passage was kind of stuffy. And I realized that I felt like real after about 2-3 minutes of being in the shower. I realized that my nasal passage felt free. So what I did, I just like blow my nose in my hand. I always blow my nose when I wash my face. Maybe that's too much information, but when I take a shower, I blow my nose, and you should do it too. Clean your nose. So I blow my nose and everything came out. Mind you, I was stuffy and going in the shower, and everything just came out my nasal passage, and I felt like real good. So what I started to do was just put my shower gel, like rub my neck, rub my back with it, rub my waist, and you know, just kind of, and I use the Bath and Body aromatherapy shower gel. So I started rubbing my body with it, and I just took my regular shower, and lo and behold, when I came out that shower, I felt like I took a bath. I felt really, really good. By the time my shower was done, all the salt was gone. The salt was melted. It wasn't washed away because it wasn't where it could wash away. It was melted. Keep in mind that some water was splashing on the salt as I took my shower, so that kind of helped to melt it too. But all that salt melted and kind of go up in the air, and it did something for me. When I came out, I felt like I took a bath. I felt really, 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 really good. So I've been doing that ever since, and it felt so good. And I'm like, why don't I just tell my viewers about it? I'm gonna tell you guys about it, because I know in today's busy world, some people are working, going to school, working 2 jobs, working 3 jobs, have kids. You don't have time to take a bath every day. Keep in mind, this is not a bath. You're just taking a shower, but you're putting some bath salt in the shower. So whatever effect you get from the bath salt when you put it in your bath to take a bath, I kind of got that effect. I'm pretty sure you're not gonna get the full effect of taking a bath, because this does not take the place of a bath. Because when you take a bath, you sit in the hot water and you just soak and you just feel different. But this hot water, you stand in it and the salt was coming up on you, and it was just melting, and it was kind of getting, I don't know, I'm pretty sure it got into my body. Because remember, when you take a hot shower, once the hot water hit you, your pores start opening up. So when you have that salt in there, I felt like, and this is just my theory, I felt like the salt just went into my pores just like it would if I took a bath. But I also understand that it was not a bath. It would not be 100% the same effect, but I'm pretty sure I got at least 70% of the effect of taking a bath. So I wanted to share that with you guys. If you have bath salt sitting in your bathroom because you always take a bath, but you don't get to take a bath so much, it does not hurt to throw a little in the shower and just try it. It may work for you, may not work for you, but I'm telling you 100% it worked for me. This is the truth. But if you tried and it worked for you, come back and drop a comment down below and let me know how it makes you feel, and let me know if it's something that you'll be practicing. I don't use a lot because bath salt get a little spendy. Apart from buying them at TJ Maxx where you get a kind of good price and you get a good brand, I kind of buy the teal ones at Walmart sometimes. So I kind of have various different kinds of bath salt. So I do hope if you like to take a bath but you're not able to take a bath every day, this little trick helps you out. And come back and let me know how it goes. I love you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I love you, love you, love you. Stay blessed, and I'll see you in another video. Mwah, mwah, mwah.